whānau, ko Laki ahau, Laki Ngāri Muruha, born in Rotorua. We left Rotorua when I was 7 years old to go to Papua New Guinea for 5 years. And then with my parents, on our way back to New Zealand, we stopped here in Sydney, and the doctor said it'd be better here for my mum, the weather, and so we stayed here since 1980. Married, 2 children and 1 moko. Currently working, studying. I'm going to college and studying. And I've seen this online, patua te taniwha, and the different levels of leo, understanding. I'm in. My ultimate goal is to be able to one day be able to hold and maintain a conversation in te reo Māori. So thank you for the opportunity. I'm not going to sing a song today. Not doing a waiata today. Today I just want to break the ice with a joke, if you don't mind. I thought about singing a waiata, but I don't know if you know, but if you put the base of your guitar up against the wall while you're in the Paku, it resonates and it sounds like an electric guitar. So it's, I'm not sure if I'm the only one that a little bit of info. But so just to have a bit of fun with this, and I'd like to tell a joke. So the teacher asked the students, what's the fastest thing in the world? The first child puts his hand up. He says, that's easy, sir. A thought. If you think, it's instant. As soon as your thought, the teacher said, good enough, you can go home early. The second child puts the hand up. Blink, sir. As soon as you blink your eyes, it's instant. Good enough, you can go home early. The third child puts his hand up. Sir, light. At night, I go to my koro's backyard, out on the porch. We switch the light on, it lights the whole paddock up instantly. Good enough, you can go home early too. Young Hone down the back puts his hand up. Sir. Okay, Hone. What's the fastest thing in the world? Diarrhea, sir, diarrhea. How do you figure that, Hone? Well, sir, the other night I had diarrhea and I went running to the toilet, and before I could think, blink or switch on the light.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready to rumble!
As we go a little something like this. Hit it!